Good morning, students. Today we'll continue chapter 12 of EVS, water. So this is the second video of this chapter. In the previous video, we discussed that water is an important and valuable natural resource. It is important because all human beings, animals, plants, birds need water to live. And it is valuable because we cannot make water. It is a natural resource and we get water from the nature. Water comes in three forms: solid form, that is ice; liquid form, that is water which we drink; and gas form is the water vapor. When we heat water, water changes into vapor. So it takes the gas form. And when the temperature is very low, it takes the solid form. It turns into ice. Now student, water does not have its own shape, color or size. It takes the shape of the container in which we fill it. So water is tasteless, colorless and smellless. Now so we also discuss the sources of water. Three sources of water is rainwater, which we get in the form of rain from the clouds, and the rainwater collects on the surface in the form of river, sea, ponds, lake, etc. And some water, rainwater, enter deep inside the ground and it goes under the ground and collect there. That takes the form of groundwater. Students, we can use rainwater and groundwater for our daily use. We can also use surface water. We can use the water of the river, ponds, lakes for our daily use. But we cannot use sea water because sea water is very salty. बहुत खारा होता है. Now we can also describe or categorize water into two categories: natural source of water and artificial source of water. Natural source of water is the water or the source that is present in the nature. Man has not constructed these sources. जो man ने नहीं बनाए source, that are natural source. Example of natural source of water is seas. We all have seen seas. In Hindi we call samudra. So these are large water body and they are surrounded by land from one side, or it can be surrounded by land on all the side. But they are very big in size and their water is very salty. We cannot use these sea water. Second source of water is river. River mostly come out from the mountains. On mountain there is snowfall, and when the snow melt during summer, it comes on the ground in the form of channel that is known as river. तो क्या होता है कि पहाड़ों से पानी चैनल के रूप में आता है, उनको रिवर बोलते हैं. And river mostly meet in the sea or they meet in other rivers or in the lakes. So हिंदी में rivers को नदियाँ बोलते हैं. Another natural source of water is lakes. So lake is the water body which is surrounded by land on all sides. लेक हमेशा चारों तरफ से लैंड से घिरे होते हैं. And another natural source of water is ponds. Ponds are like lakes but they are smaller than lakes. Another natural source of water is waterfall. So waterfall from the mountains onto the ground in the form of stream. That was known as waterfall. We all have seen Rahatgarh waterfall and we have seen Duhadar waterfall present in Jodhpur. So there are so many waterfalls. So seas, rivers, lakes, ponds and waterfalls are natural source of water. Now we can see in this picture river and sea. So we can see the river is moving in the form of channel and we can see water is present all around in the sea. We cannot use sea water but we can use river water. Now we'll discuss about man-made resources. So man-made resources are made by the man to get the underground water or the surface water to use in their houses. Tap, hand pump, wells, dams and tube wells are example of man-made resources. People dig deep hole into the ground to take the underground water. So wells are the deep hole that are dug into the ground to get the groundwater. People also build dams to collect the river water and to stop the river water flowing out of the river and stop water from wasting. So dams, wells, tube wells, hand pumps are example of artificial source of water or man-made source of water. Now we'll discuss about uses of water. We need water for many use. We use water for washing our hands. We use water for drinking, cleaning, bathing, cooking, watering plants. We also use water for washing our hands, cooking, brushing, washing our vehicles, for putting off the fire. अगर आग लग जाती है तो उसको बुझाने का काम भी वाटर जाता है. For agriculture, we use water for farming because we have to water the plants. Plants also need water to live and grow. So, we use water for farming and we also use water for industries and making our houses. Now, we'll discuss about water pollution. Water pollution is when water gets polluted when we release or throw waste material like harmful chemical, house waste, factory waste, garbage, plastic bottle, plastic bag and used cans etc. into water. जब हम पानी में कचरा, वाटर कैन, वाटर प्लास्टिक बॉटल या फैक्ट्रीज का कचरा डाल देते हैं, so water get polluted, dirty हो जाता water. We cannot use this polluted water. So pollution is a very big problem because many animals that live in water die because of this polluted water. तो जो बहुत से एनिमल्स जो प्लांट जो पानी में रहते हैं वो मर जाते हैं वाटर पोल्यूशन के कारण. एंड इफ़ वी यूज़ दिस पोल्यूटेड वाटर in our daily life, then we also get sick. Sometimes people die also because drinking the polluted water. So water pollution is very big problem as the pollution water can result in the death of animals living in water and we cannot use water once it gets polluted. And the other water body like sea and ocean carry salty water that we cannot use. तो अगर river water को polluted कर देंगे then we do not have any other sources because we cannot use the sea water. Now student, in the next video we'll discuss how we can stop the water pollution and how we can use measures to save water. क्या करें कि हम water को save कर सकें because we cannot make water. Water is a limited amount, so we should use water very carefully and we should save water. So that's all for today's video.